I'm Malvika. I would like you all to clench your hands in a tight fist. You know, like you're about to punch someone. But wait, please don't. This is my reality. When I was 13 years old, I lost both my hands in a bomb blast. Now, you may wonder, how do I go about living my life and doing my chores with my stumps? Well, have you heard of the quote, whatever our mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve? I live by that quote. The human spirit is one of ability, perseverance, and courage that no loss or no failure or no disability can steal away. So, coming back to the question of how I do things with just my stumps, with the help of these 3 affirmations. Number 1, I focus on what I can control and I let go of what is not in my hands. Did you get that joke? Number 2, complaining, blaming, or worrying about my hands won't bring them back. So, I live in the present. Number 3, I stay positive. But being positive doesn't mean I have to always be happy. It just means that even on bad days, I trust that better days are on the way and I just have to sit tight and breathe and live. My mind believed that I could, and so I did. My motto, never give up.